Double trouble! Yeah, a mother gorilla has given birth to twins in a Dutch zoo. Now this was a very special occasion because twins are a rare occurrence among gorillas, especially for those in captivity.
In gorilla world is twins very rare because in the last 50 years there has only been 10 births in zoos, so it's very rare.
The 20-year-old mother gave birth on the 13th of June to one male and one female. She already has 3 offspring and is known by zoo officials to be a good and caring mother. The twins will spend 8 to 10 years with their family and will then have to move to another zoo to prevent incest within the group.